Do you know the origin of the old American expression, "you've got to be shitting me"? Well, it started over 200 years ago when General George Washington and his men were crossing the Delaware on a cold, blustery winter night. There was sleet and snow, heavy winds. The general ordered Sergeant Cox to take a lantern and go to the bow of the boat. As he did, unfortunately, he slipped, fell into the river, and drowned. Well, they finally got to the other side, and as they walked through a wooded area, they saw a bright light. They walked up to it, and there stood a mansion. Little did they know it was a whorehouse. But anyway, Washington went up to the door, knocked, a lady answered, and he said, "I am General George Washington. My men and I need warmth and comfort." And she said, "Well, you've come to the right place for that. How many of you are there?" And he said, "There are 32 of us without cocks." And she said, "You've got to be shitting me."